teachers, and loving students. On this auspicious day, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. 15th of August, every year we celebrate the Independence Day, which reminds us of a new beginning, the beginning of an era of freedom from the Britishers. India's independence was a long and tiresome one, and today we are proud of all those who sacrificed their lives for our country. As this year India celebrates its 75th Independence Day, I would like to tell you that even today India has attained the freedom in its fullness. We are still in the bondage of unemployment, poverty, illiteracy, inequality, casteism, etc. My dear students, you are the promises of tomorrow, and it's your bounden duty to break up these chains and enable our country to enjoy the freedom in its real sense. May God bless you all to become effective leaders and responsible citizens of tomorrow. Once again, Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.
कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते के तार से इंडिया वाले हर चीज ले.
To everyone, Happy Independence Day. Today, we are all here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We are all really proud to be an Indian and to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. On this occasion, our thoughts turn to first to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind our struggles for our freedom, the martyr who made the supreme sacrifice for our country liberty. There is a big celebration at Rajpath, Delhi. Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag followed by national anthem. Jai Hind. Something about Independence Day. Respected sisters, teachers, seniors and all my dear friends, Independence Day is the most important day to all the Indian citizens. It is the day when we got freedom from British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighter of India, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. The peaceful day we are living today is just because of their sacrifice. Let's work hard to become our country the best country in the world. Many freedom fighters lost their lives in order to provide independence to our country. On this day, we remember our nice freedom fighters that helped us from British rules. The Prime Minister hosts our national flag in Red Fort, New Delhi. This year we celebrate 75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021. National anthem Jana Gana Mana will be played and sung at time of flag hoist. We, as citizens of India, celebrate this great day with spirit.
मेरे वतन है वतन आबाद रहे तू आबाद रहे तू
शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो
Good morning everyone, this is me Aquila of 10th standard, and first of all I wish you all a happy 75th Independence Day of our country. And today let us all give tribute to all our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for us so that we all can live happily. There are many such people such as Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others who devoted their lives to free our country from British. So today, let us all take a stand for what we trust in. If Mahatma Gandhi would not have taken a stand for us, or if Bhagat would not have spoken for us, where we would have been. So do not be afraid to speak. Do not hesitate to stand, or if you think something is wrong, change starts from you. Don't ask or wait for change. Things will only change when you start changing. If you think that your colony should be clean, then start by cleaning your room. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart and memories in our soul. So let us all take a stand to salute our nation.
స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మనకి స్వాతంత్రం 1947లో వచ్చింది. అంతకుముందు బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళు మనని పాలించేవారు. ఇదేంటి అని మన భారతీయులు ప్రశ్నిస్తే వాళ్ళని బెదిరించేవారు. మరికొందరిని అయితే తుపాకులతో లేదా ఫిరంగులతో కాల్చి చంపేసేవారు. అయితే నేను మీకు ఒక స్వాతంత్ర వీరుడు గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ఇతడి పేరు టాంటియా టోప్. పూర్తి పేరు రామచంద్ర పాండురంగ టాంటియా టోప్. ఇతన్ని కొందరు టాంటియా టోపీ అని, మరికొందరు టచ్చా టోప్ అని పిలిచేవారు. 1814 ఫిబ్రవరి 16న జన్మించాడు. మహారాష్ట్రలో నాసిక్ జిల్లాలో యోనా అనే పట్టణంలో జన్మించాడు. జనరల్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇండియన్ రెబెలియన్ 1857లో పనిచేశాడు. కొంతకాలం నానాసాహెబ్ దగ్గర సంరక్షకుడిగా పనిచేశాడు. కాన్పూర్ ఆంగ్లేయుల నుండి హస్తగీతం పలికాక ఝాన్సీతో చేయి కలిపాడు. బ్రిటిష్ వారి చేత చంపబడ్డాడు. ఎలా చంపబడ్డాడంటే ఇతన్ని బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళు ఊరికంబం ఎక్కించి చంపేశారు. అయితే ఇతడు 1859లో చనిపోయాడు. చనిపోయే ముందు తను చేసిన పనులని ఒప్పుకున్నాడు. జై హింద్.